What if I told you that you could run an entire YouTube channel, never show your face, never record your voice, and still make money from it? I found a tool called Clippie AI that does exactly that. I've been using it myself for 2.5 months, and I'm showing you the exact workflow live right now. No fluff, no paid courses, just a cheat code. Let's drift. So I'm going to share my screen right now and show you exactly what I do. And watch this. This is Clippy AI. So this is how the structure of the platform looks like. I'll drop the link in the description below. Super clean interface, nothing complicated. This is where I do everything, and this is where everything happens. First thing to do is pick my topic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click right here, and we're gonna go on AI story video right here. And all I'm going to do is pick a topic. For my faceless channel, I'm doing horror content, high views, massive audience, and nobody needs to see your face for it. Type in your topic right here and let the AI do its thing. So what we're gonna do is watch this. I'm going to be clicking on the AI script writer. Once I click that, it's gonna ask me what the duration would be for it. Um, for my video, for my testing video right now, I'm gonna do 45 second, and I'm also gonna do, which is another one really popular happening right now. It's politics right here, and it's gonna be suspenseful, educational. A lot of times the tone doesn't really much matter, but in this case, I'm gonna be doing this suspenseful because this is what people like and what's going on around the world right here. Um, and we're gonna click on surprise me. Let the AI do its thing. Watch this. I just wrote an entire video script in literally couple of seconds. And no chat GPT, no copy pasting. It's all built in. I used to spend an hour writing scripts manually. This does it in literally 10 seconds. Now here's where it gets really good. Clippy AI matches stock footage and visuals to your script automatically. Every line gets visual. You can swap them out if you want, but honestly, the AI picks pretty well. This alone saves me 2 hours of editing every single video. So you don't need a microphone for it. Just pick your AI voice, pick your art style. So for this case, I'm gonna pick a realistic one. This is a really good one, but I'm gonna be picking something else this time. Let's pick this comic realism. This one's pretty looks pretty clean, and you can also pick on a voice. For my videos, I usually use Liam Shores. You can use any other one of them. Prince Nori is really good as well, but in this case, I'm gonna be picking on the Liam and increase up the volume, background. So there's gonna be a background music. I usually turn it off because YouTube doesn't usually allow it. So, and the transition type, if you want to do dramatic, slide, zoom, snap, blur, or no motion, I usually pick these two ones right here, or it's the dramatic one this time. And you can also put in FX, which is center sound and glitch. So here we are. We picked up a topic and angle. We also choose a niche, which is politics, and it's going to be using one video at a time. And we also wrote a script, which also generated from Clippy AI directly. We don't need ChatGPT, we don't need Claude AI, we don't need any of that. It's automatically going to do it for us. And we also picked up a voiceover as well. In this case, we did is Liam Shores. And now what we're gonna do is it's gonna upload automatically. Give it a couple of seconds. So we're gonna go back right here. We already picked up our language. It's gonna be English and no audio, and then caption. Pick and choose right here. For my videos, I usually pick this one and this one right here. But you can pick any of them. In this video purposes, I'm gonna be using this one right here. And you can also use up a setting if you want the lowercase automatically lowercase, uppercase, or capitalized. In my scenario, we're gonna leave it so that video is gonna be somewhere right here. Okay, style, and we're gonna go back to voice, and this is where you're gonna click generate scenes. for our video purposes, we're going to be going fast. So every 2 to 3 seconds, it's automatically going to switch over the transition, which is really ideally, especially because if you're using for shorts and portrait mode, and all they're going to do is click on generate scene. So while it does that, comment, subscribes your favorite channel, and also give me a like on this video. It's also going to add on the captions as well, since we already did that. Back to overall overlays and transitions. Also, we also did that in the AI, Clippie AI, and also we picked the background music. In this case, we don't have to do it. And then preview and tweak. Watch the full video. Check pacing. Make sure you check everything before you download it. We're gonna go towards that route. All right, let's take a look at this video right here, guys. Amazing.
And a group of scientists stumbled upon a bizarre phenomenon in the Amazon rainforest. They observed a troop of capuchin monkeys foraging for food but using stones as tools, an act previously thought to humans. This revelation shattered long-held beliefs about animal, but the real shock came when they noticed the monkeys teaching, passing down the thing of evolution.
All right, guys. So it's pretty cool. So this is where it's going to be generating the whole video. So what we're going to do is all we're going to go is click right here and all the way to the front, video one, and drift, and we're going to render out the video. So what we're going to do is it's already put on the caption for you, trim. It's also adjusting the timings as well with the visualization. So what we're going to do is we just going to click on the download button, and you're going to go on YouTube and TikTok or Shorts or Reels or anything that you use. And if you want to put in a little bit more effort, you can go to CapCut free version, download it there, put some tweaks in it, and upload it on YouTube and have a strong CTA and publish it immediately. Another thing would be that we're going to wait for it to download. I've been using this channel as promised. I'm going to show you a channel which I really used. This is a channel that I've been using. Lights Diaries. As you can see, guys, this is my channel right here. I started off 2.5 months ago, and it already got almost 100,000 views just from the shorts. So I've been uploading it using Clippie AI. If you guys need a link for it, comment below and I'll send it over to you. Otherwise, if you can check my description, it's going to be there. So before I wrap up, I want to show you something. Completely fearless, no recording, no manual editing, and I'm almost at 200 subscribers already. This isn't a theory, this is proof it actually works. Imagine where this channel is going to be within the next 6 months. That's Clippie AI faceless video automated, done in literally less than 10 minutes. If you want to try out yourself, I drop my affiliate link in the description below. Same tool I use helps support this channel and gets you started today. Now, if this gives you value, I want you to drop drift in the comments right now. That tells me you watched the whole thing. It helps the video reach more people. Hit subscribe because next video I'm showing you free 5 AI tools that every digital marketer needs right now. I will save you hours every single week. I did the work. You get the cheat code. Let's drift.